Okay, we're going to keep going on these arc problems. Again, using our properties, we want to trace the things that we know. Well, we know from here to here is 200. 80 plus 120 is 200. And that is twice as big as this. So we want to double that. So we have 38x plus 10. So we have a simple equation to solve. 200 minus 10 is 190 divided by 38. X equals 5. Over here, trace the arc. This is double. And then these three together add up to 360. So 22x plus 14 plus 14x minus 3 plus 13 plus 12x equals 360. So I'm going to combine my like terms. 22 plus 14 plus 12, 48x. 14 minus 3 is 11, 24. So 48x plus 24 equals 360. Now we got it to a place we can use our calculator. 360 minus 24 equals 336. 48x equals 336. So divide by 48. X equals 7. And on this question, it asks you to find the angle. So we're going to go ahead and plug 7 back in. That's not a bad practice just to plug it back in anyway. To see if your angles all add up to 360. So 77 plus 7 is 84. Now we've reached the on, inside, outside section. And so I would just go through and say, okay, which ones are on their half of the arc they intercept? So this is 2 times 98. 190, which is 196. There's no other ones that are on. So we have inside ones. Inside would be the average of the two arcs. So 78 is the average of 85 plus question mark. Average means you add them up, divide by 2. So I got to multiply 2 times 78. That's 156 equals 85 plus question mark. Subtract 85. Question mark equals 71. Same here. 114 equals 173 plus question mark divided by 2. If you multiply by 2, you get 228. 173 plus question mark. And question mark equals 55. Remember that the shortcut here is that however much bigger this is, then the other one is that much smaller than that arc. So if 114 plus 50 is 59 bigger, that means this one's 59 smaller. Okay. Now we have these are all outside the circle, which means they're half of the arc they intercept. We're going to start with 26. It's a little bit easier. I don't know this arc, but I know that my angle I'm trying to find is half of 227 minus that missing arc. Well, these add up to 360. So 360 minus 227 gives me 133. So 227 minus 133 is 94. Half of 94 is 47. Down here, I have these two arcs intercept. Pretty straightforward. Half of 197 minus 67. 197 minus 67 equals 130. So half of 130 equals 65. Now this one, we don't know either arc. So this is one where you have the shortcut that we remember that these two, the outside of a tangent, and this arc always add up to 180. If you don't do that, you got to guess and check until you get to your answer. Okay, so we are now into the chord theorems. Remember, what you know is equal. Every radius is equal to every other radius, so we start out by tracing the radius. And we don't have any other radius, so we look what else is equal. Well, if this is 13, this has to be 13. There you have your answer. Every radius is equal to every other radius, so we have two things marked that are the same. X equals 20. So those are straightforward without using Pythagorean theorem. Okay? And we will do a separate video for the last page.